First of all, you need to ensure that your hair is clean. Children can be bathed and washed with clean water every day, but it is undesirable to wash their hair with shampoo often. Enough twice a week or if the child gets them dirty. It is also necessary to constantly examine the head for abrasions, bruises, scratches, bruises, insect bites, scratching, irritation. Foreign objects, e.g. chewing gum, dandruff and the possible appearance of external parasites, lice. Especially if the child has made a complaint about it or involuntarily began to carry out frequent combing, scratching with his hand or any objects, e.g. pencil. If any are found, we accordingly take all the necessary measures as soon as possible, and, in the end, it is necessary to monitor the long hair of the child and their neatness, haircut. It often happens that children themselves suggest when the hair on their heads begins to create discomfort for them. Accordingly, it is necessary to carry out regular haircuts. Teach children to do this, including not being afraid of it, and also force children to independently monitor the cleanliness and neatness of their hairstyle. A haircut can be done both independently and by resorting to the services of a professional hairdresser. Very young children are trimmed for the first time after their fontanelle is overgrown and under 0, bald. As a rule, this already occurs after 1 year of age. I cut my children to 0, bald, twice a year, May, September, until the age of 3. The initial haircut of children to 0 speeds up the formation of hair, makes them stronger and thicker. And at the same time it is easier to monitor the hygiene of the child's head. Then, at an older age, I began to make model haircuts for children. The length of the hair and the shape of the haircut of the children is chosen by me, taking into account their preferences, the direction of hair growth and the period of the year. In the warm season or before that, I make haircuts short, before the cold one, respectively. When cutting, I leave the hair longer.